Monday ended as it always does on the Eastern Plains, with the sunset over tumbleweed and fence rows. Tuesday will feel a little different.
Just up here by the corral. It's going to probably look a lot like this, except for I'll be covered in snow going like this in the wind.
But Matt Kalouse's day won't change, even with the snow and forecasted 60-mile-per-hour winds. His cows need him, blizzard or not.
The cattle have to be fed. The water has to be checked. You know, the ice in the tanks has to be chopped and it has to be pitched, and it has to be done. It doesn't matter how bad the weather is, I still have to go out and do it.
He's been getting ready since Tuesday's storm was first forecast, moving his cows and their feed closer to his barn.
It's not a thing that you prepare for the day before. It's something you start planning for and making preparations for a week before.
It's not his first blizzard. Matt grew up ranching on his dad's farm down the road. Still, he's going to bed hoping he remembered everything and wondering what might go wrong.
A bad storm could put me out of business potentially.
It could kill the cows he cares for from dawn till dusk.
We don't really do this kind of work for the money. We do it because we love doing it.
So tomorrow, like every other day, Matt will rise when the sun does and start working. The only perk of the snow, his 3 kids might be out there with him.
Yeah, snow days aren't the same for farm kids as they are for town kids. Like that's exactly right, because they don't get a good snow day. They get to come work on snow days. They get to help Dad.
Matt grew up on his father's ranch, so he likely spent snow days working too. But this is the first time in about 1.5 years that the Eastern Plains and his ranch near Fort Morgan have seen this kind of forecast. It could also cause some snarls at DIA tomorrow if you're traveling, Kyle.
Yeah, it seems like the airport's going to kind of be at the edge of the mayhem. All right, thanks, Cole.